Well, check it out, everybody. Uh, Somebody just gave me this and said it didn't work, so I feel like tearing some stuff down. That Craftsman shop vac, I had it for a little bit. It was working when I got it, and I was sweeping up the floor in here, and I don't know if it was the sand or what it was, but it just quit working. So I don't know. I've been. That's why it's still sitting here. I've been debating on seeing if I put a new switch in it, if the switch just went bad, or if I need to put a whole new motor in it, because I need a vacuum of some sort, and I would like it to be a shop vac because I like them. So if that one won't work at all, then I'm gonna go to the store and buy one when I can afford it. But for now, I'm just gonna get to tearing stuff down, so stay tuned. First application, I need a pair of snips, which I've got, and a Phillips head screwdriver, which we've got a few different ones. So let's try this oldie but goodie Interstero Destro. I don't know. Whatever. Well, I'm gonna alleviate it of this right here, right now. I shouldn't be so loud. It's kind of late at night. I haven't called about wire or went in for any wire. So hopefully the new year brings good pay on this extension cord wire is what they'll call it. That's a good pound at least. I won't bore you with taking out all the screws, but I will show you the motor at the end. Well, as you can see, I have successfully got it out of its base. And yeah, even though I'm probably not gonna tear it all the way down, let's just see. And I don't know if you can see that, but that's aluminum. So yeah, that'll get turned in as a motor weight. So basically, this is the real truth of it. There's probably $1 worth of cord there, and another 50 to 75 cents worth of motor weight. And then let me turn on my flashlight. If you look out there by the door, you're left with a container that big, and that the actual container that picks everything up is sitting on the outside of it. But you end up with that for garbage. So, I mean, for the most part, for a scrapper like me, this kind of stuff is fun. Tearing stuff down like this and collecting it and making things out of it. Like I'm gonna probably take and make something out of that bike frame. Probably another bike. I've not decided what I want to do with it yet, or how I want to make it up yet. And then we got that other trike out there that's already a trike. I just have to modify it to put hand controls on it. But yeah, this is a little life in the Roadhog's eyes. All this delectable stuff to scrap out yet, and everything like that fan right there. That's mainly plastic. For most people, they wouldn't even bother tearing it down. But for me, it's relaxing, soothing to me. So that's probably what I'll end up doing with it. Just like the TVs. Somebody said they're not really worth tearing down either. Some people say they are. It's just your own preference on how much time you really want to put into scrapping and how much you want to try and make out of scrapping. Like, there is money to be made if you do it the right way. So everybody, have a blessed day. Keep on smoking and having fun, and Happy New Year's to... I'll probably see everybody again before the New Year's, because I'll probably do another video tomorrow of tearing some more stuff down, because I have stuff to tear down, like that that milk crate right there. That's full of little odd and ends that I can tear down. There's a dehumidifier over there. There's TV right there. There's a fan right here. There's another TV in my hallway. I've got multiple things I can tear down, so you'll see me. Oh, there's two TVs sitting right there. I ain't even... Oh, I got a few things to scrap out over there too, on top of the stereo. So, yay, everything's coming together. We're gonna get it cleaned up in here and looking good. But, like I said, from Teddy and I, we say thank you very much for being here, and have a blessed day.